Immune system health is a top priority for our body. Vitamin C supplements and pills are plentiful. Antioxidant vitamin C is essential for healthy immune system function. This water-soluble vitamin is found in many common foods. When we eat vitamin C-rich foods instead of taking a pill, we also get other vitamins and minerals from the food. Vitamin C helps iron-deficient anemics absorb iron-rich foods. Even though this list contains 10% to 20% or more of the daily value of the vitamin C for healthy adults, this is still less than the recommended daily intake. Here, we're gonna analyze which foods are high in vitamin C. But before starting the video, please subscribe to our channel, Genius Insight, and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates, as we're gonna make more videos on interesting topics in the future. So if you do not want to miss it, make sure to subscribe to it. Now let's get started. Number 10. Oranges. Oranges are high in vitamin C, their mascot. A medium-sized orange contains 70 mg of vitamin C, or 78% of the daily value. Somo citrus, an enormous super sweet fruit that's easy to peel and packs 163% of the daily value, is our favorite. If you like orange juice, choose 100% orange juice without sugar. Number 9. Broccoli. Half cup of raw broccoli has 39 mg of vitamin C, or 43% of the daily value. GH Nutritionist approved green giant cauliflower and broccoli riced veggies is a must-have kitchen staple. Number 8. Kiwi. One medium kiwi has 64 mg of vitamin C, 71% of the daily value. Golden kiwi has even more vitamin C than other kinds, which makes them a great source of this micronutrient. Number 7. Strawberries. This pretty topping for a yogurt parfait is full of vitamin C. Half a cup of sliced strawberries has 49 mg of vitamin C, which is more than 50% of the daily value. Vitamins and fiber help to keep you feeling full. Number 6. Red bell pepper. In just half a cup, this crunchy snake has 95 mg of the vitamin C, which is more than 100% of the daily value. Red bell peppers have a lot of health benefits and taste good. They are one of the best food sources of vitamin C. You can put them in a salad or make red pepper hummus. Number 5. Grapefruit. Half a medium grapefruit provides 43% of the daily value of the vitamin C. Eat one to meet your daily vitamin C needs. 100% grapefruit juice without added sugar has a lot of vitamin C. Number 4. Mango. This delicious and refreshing tropical fruit is also good for you. A serving of mango pieces, 3/4 cup contains 45 mg of the vitamin C, which is half of what you need for the day. Also, it has a lot of folate and copper. Number 3. Cantaloupe. This tasty melon is a great source of vitamin C because half a cup of it gives you 29 mg or 32% of your daily vitamin C needs. Try cucumber and cantaloupe salad with savory quinoa crumble recipe for a different take on this refreshing side dish. Number 2. Tomato. Tomatoes on your lunch sandwich are healthy. One medium tomato provides 90% of the daily value of the vitamin C. Cooking tomatoes like in sauce or stews increases the body's absorption of lycopene. Number 1. Lemons. One lemon in the citrus family has 34 mg of the vitamin C. Try squeezing lemon juice on bean salad to balance the flavors and help your body absorb the non-heme iron from the beans. Lemon dressings like this tasty lemon capper herb dressing are one of the easiest ways to use lemon. So that's all for it for today's video. I hope you all liked this video. Please let us know in the comment box which one you find the best, and do recommend some topics you want to see in the video in future. Don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends and family if you like this video. We'll be back soon with a new video. Till then, keep supporting and take care.